time check, it's what time is it? 4:50. I'm going out for a walk. Natry ko sana tong bagong camera, DJI Osmo Nano. Tama ba? But etong si Tanga nagdala ng cap. Wala naman pala accessories. Anyway, look at this view. Ang ganda. So maglalakad tayo. I'm gonna show you my daily route for walking when I finish work. So it takes, papunta sa shopping center, it takes about approximately 23 minutes. Kasi kung saan tayo makakapunta. Well, I mean, it's the same route every time na nag-walk ako. Pero I'll try to do the long way since I have time. I might be able to go for at least an hour and 15 minutes walk. And since pupunta naman tayo sa shopping center, might as well buy some snacks cause I'm hungry. This girl is hungry. Chuta ang lamig. That's point of view sana, oh. Dito sana sa cup, oh. Nadala ko lang yung accessory. Dito sana, okay. Well, wala akong nalik. So, let's do this. Mas muna. Hindi sila mag-video for the day. For the whole walk. Siguro cut-cut na lang natin. This is the field where students or children or footy enthusiasts go to practice after school, stuff like that. Weather in Victoria Point is 16 degrees. Oh my goodness, uulan. Uulan. Huwag naman sana sa Sydney, please. Hindi ko na pala napakita. Bumili ako ng rice cracker seaweeds and then Greek yogurt. You can see. Nandito na ako sa shopping center, and then this is also the parang central station. Ayan, Victoria Point Central bus stop siya. On the way na ako. On my way back to the center para umupo. And magpahinga. So that's it. Thanks for coming to my errand vlog. That's it.